Alright guys, as a lot of you are wondering, why are cryptos crashing? What's causing this? Also, I will be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. Your questions will be answered. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip. When the whales have sold out, that rare time to get in when you only have 5 or 10 minutes. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Also, congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Guys, when we look at the coin market cap, we see Bitcoin down 5%, Ethereum down 8% today, Cardano down 4%, and XRP down 5%. Over the last 24 hours, the entire crypto market has seen a 6% drop. Guys, not a huge crash, but we are still in our corrections phase. Guys, some more fake news has come out. Senator Warren has been warning of risks regarding cryptocurrency trading and transactions. Guys, she's warning that a lot of people using cryptocurrencies are using them for the wrong reasons. However, as we've seen as of late, the mass adoption of crypto is proving that the mainstream investor are the majority of crypto holders as of now. She's pushing this for more regulation, so the US government can have their hands deeper inside your pockets. Which is one of the main reasons why people ever went to crypto, is so that they didn't have that problem. I believe this woman is very ignorant and closed-minded. Smash that like button if you agree. People that get into crypto get in for financial freedom. The rich ones got in early. They got in before the rest, and that's why their money doubled, tripled, or 10x, or even more. So it's still a great time to get in these infancy stages of crypto, especially when we're expecting to see a lot of these cryptos 10x just by the end of this year. Most of the people investing are simply the ones with 9 to 5 jobs that are taking the money that they make, what they can afford to invest, they are investing. They're putting into cryptos that they are confident in, and they will likely see their money turn into $1 million if they choose the right assets just within a few years. That's why as a whale investor, I am currently holding mostly Ethereum. That's what I have the most confidence in. However, I do have holdings in Dogecoin, XRP, and a lot of others, and that's why you want to wait for my buy and sell trade alert so that I can let you guys know the perfect time to get in before the price jumps up. The long-term potential of crypto is personally why I'm in. Yes, you can day trade and make a lot of money doing it, just as my patrons have. However, I personally hold for the long run. Even if you only have $100 to invest, $500 to invest, or $1,000 to invest, guys, it's a great start, and you could easily double your money, as we've seen time and time again, and then reinvest. Guys, some more news. Israeli seizure order shows Hamas holds USDT, TRX, and Doge. All of this group's holdings have actually been seized because they were using it for the wrong reasons, and that is simply not allowed in their country. They had 84 wallets to diversify their crypto holdings, and most of what they held, believe it or not, was Doge. Guys, they held Doge because it's one of the most profitable investments you could make in the crypto world. Guys, with Elon Musk behind it and a lot of others behind it, it is no secret that it in fact may have the most potential. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you want to trade cryptos tax-free, use my I Trust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Also in the top pinned comment, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, with Dogecoin up over 8,000% just within a year, it is no secret that it has the most potential. Guys, all this fake news and FUD that we're seeing in the media regarding crypto is a lot like a communist country who controls everything that their citizens see. Guys, comment down below your thoughts on that. Guys, have some cash on the side to buy these dips because the bull run will start again very soon. And you don't want to have FOMO at that point. You don't want to have wished you gotten in at these low discounted prices where a lot of them are really half price or lower than what they are supposed to be. I predict that within just 60 to 90 days, we will see massive pumps, and you will have wished you got in at this time. And I still hold to my prediction that we will see some huge pumps just by the end of this month, especially with the Jack Dorsey Elon Musk event that I've talked about in my previous videos. Guys, it doesn't matter how much we drop because I know how cryptocurrencies work. I know how the future is going to work with crypto and the fundamental catalysts in the works that we're waiting on. Guys, with these events, we are bound to see some massive profits. And like I always teach you, you gotta buy the rumor and sell the news. Guys, what that means is you gotta buy when the hype is high. And right before that news hits, right before that event hits, you sell and you collect the profits, just as we have many times before on my Patreon. You can't be short-term minded, wait a couple days and not see any movement. Guys, we're trading sideways, we're consolidating right now. Yes, there are those rare times for those steep dips, like I alert you on my Patreon. However, think about the long run. Think about 30 days, 60 days, 90 days from now, maybe even 6 months. Guys, the longer you can hold with diamond hands, the more profits you will inevitably see. You have to be patient, never sell for less than you got in for. I'm still bullish even with the low trading volume, and I will remain bullish with my opinion until the mass adoption dies down, which I don't believe it ever will, because we're seeing countries, institutions, companies, mom and pop shops, everybody accepting and adopting crypto. It might be slow, but they are taking it on, just as I go over in my daily Dogecoin uploads. Guys, the countries are adopting. Whales are buying more crypto than ever before. They know this is the perfect time to buy in, guys. You don't want to wish 30, 60 days from now when the prices are going up that you had gotten in. Governments, whales, and others are suppressing cryptocurrencies with the fake news. Guys, that's all they want. Don't let them win. You're already ahead of the rest watching these videos, so you know that it's fake news. You know that in the long run, we will see massive profits and massive pumps very soon. Guys, if my predictions weren't correct, Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, and other billionaires wouldn't have a lot of their holdings in Doge and other crypto. Cardano currently on a bull run at $1.37. Guys, it's looking up from here. Expect to see $1.50 just within a week. Guys, when we look at the chart for Dogecoin, our 1 hour chart shows we had a bottom. We bottomed out right here. However, we got green candlesticks going up. We're headed down again, about to hit a second bottom. Guys, with a double bottom, expect to see a huge pump from there. Now is a great time to get in. Sign up for my Patreon. Wait for my trailer. I'll let you guys know again when we hit another steep dip so that you guys can get in and see Doge profits very soon. Guys, within just a couple of weeks, I predict that we'll see 30 cents for Dogecoin hitting a new level of resistance, and then our next level of resistance will be 38 cents. Bitcoin is sitting at around 33,000 right now. Guys, I expect to see it hit 40,000 by the end of this month after this massive announcement that they're going to do with Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk. Guys, when we hit 40,000 for Bitcoin, expect to see the rest of the crypto market jump and pump up along with it. Guys, we're sitting at around 2,200 for Ethereum. So if you bought below 2,000 like I had called out, guys, we've already made a lot of money. Bitcoin and Dogecoin are actually following each other on the charts almost identically. Guys, this is very good news. This means that big whale investors are likely investing in Doge equally to Bitcoin. With similar levels of confidence for their future, Dogecoin might very well be competing with Ethereum and Bitcoin one day. Guys, we've seen 60-day correction periods before. This is nothing new. The longer the correction, the steeper the dip, the harder the pump. Guys, get ready to see some massive pumps for Dogecoin and other crypto very soon. You want to get in before it's too late. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I'll let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.